Good morning guys, and today is Wednesday. So today is also our award giving event at the office. And as usual, camera duties na naman ako. Dito na ako sa office, just parked. And ayan, nagpark ako malapit dun sa site para yung mga gamit, madali ko lang kunin. I decided na magpark malapit para accessible din yung sasakyan. And hindi rin ako kailangan umuwi ng maaga since hapon yung event. I'm gonna also test my newest camera, which is the DJI Osmo Pocket 4, which just released this April. So I'm excited. So actually na-test ko na yung functions niya, pero I've yet to test it in low light scenarios, especially sa mga events, since kailangan mag-pop yung mga lights and designs ng stage. So kailangan medyo dim yung light. So, I think medyo madilim than usual yung event. So ang nakuha ko nga pala is yung standard combo, which comes with the DJI camera itself and this handle extension which attaches to the bottom, that allows you to connect 1/4 threads, and it also comes with the cable, so USB-C to C. Hindi ko lang siya dala since meron na akong cable. Meron din siya yung gimbal clamp, although tinanggal ko siya since kumuha ako ng OEM case. So I think it is a Chinese brand, but it fits nicely. So meron siyang cushion dun sa screen. And ayun, hard shell siya, so medyo protected. I'm not really confident, but since wala pang na-release na actual case, so I had to purchase a case right away para protected lang siya sa bag from vibrations and collisions. Kumuha din pala ako ng tempered glass para sa screen niya and also the camera. So nakuha ko lang siya sa Shopee, around 200 or less than 200 siya, if I can remember correctly. So ayun, samahan niyo ako sa araw ko bilang event photographer dito sa aming office. So ayun, dito na ako sa event. Start na siya around 2 PM. So ayun, that's it guys, that's the event. Ayun, na-testing ko naman na yung camera ko. So it has excellent low light performance. However, hindi ko pa na-check yung sound so I'm gonna check it. Wala namang hiccups, smooth yung gimbal performance niya, and picture quality okay din considering na low light nga. Check ko sa post processing kung okay naman yung audio and as well as sa video. So ayun, thank you for joining me in this event. Hope to see you again next vlog.